Faith Technologies Incorporated leveraged advanced filtration technology to upgrade this Wisconsin biodigester. Utilizing Rockwell Automation tools and tech, the plant turns organic waste into renewable natural gas used to fuel heavy-duty vehicles.
With Rockwell Automation technology and process control behind the scenes, our teams have the ability to support this site remotely and optimize its production over time. This award is important to FTI as a company because we truly recognize the importance of the efficient use of natural resources, and therefore we focus on driving sustainable practices in our business and culture and that of our clients. On behalf of everyone at FTI, thank you. We're honored to accept the 2024 Rockwell Automation Partner Network Sustainability Award.